Hi, I'm Paul Edwards with Norton Clipper, and today we're going to replace the power switch on an electric handheld saw. First step is to remove the air guide if it is installed. Take the air filter out, snap the air guide out of the way, slide it through the handle. Now we're going to rotate the machine 180 degrees and remove the two handle attachment screws. We'll use a 3mm hex key. Now we'll rotate the machine 180 degrees and remove the same bolts on the operator left-hand side. Now we'll remove the handle from the body of the machine by pulling on it. Remove the top instructional label from the machine and save the label for reapplying. Peel back the extension cord label, remove it, and save it for later use. Now remove the 5 screws that hold the two handle halves together with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now separate the two handle halves. Disconnect the two power leads from the power cord from the switch. Okay. Now lift the switch assembly away from the trigger. Rotate it 180 degrees and remove the two power wires. Remove the switch from the leads. To attach the new switch, note the electrical black lead going from the switch to the motor control circuit will attach to the terminal located on the right side of the screen. The white lead will attach to the lead on the left side of the screen. Now connect the white lead coming from the power cord to the terminal that's on the bottom, and the black lead to the terminal that's on the top. Now we'll position the switch assembly back into the bracket. Verify that no wires will be pinched. And now we'll reassemble the right half of the handle to the left. Now we'll slide the handle assembly back on to the body of the machine. Take one of the small handle retaining screws and attach the handle to the body of the machine. Take one of the long handle screws and attach the upper, and we'll repeat for the other two screws, here and here, short, long. After fully tightening the 4 screws that hold the handle halves to the body of the machine, verify that the 5 screws that attach the 2 handle halves together are tightened. Reinstall the extension cord warning decal. Reinstall the operating instruction decal. If you're using the air guide and filter assembly, slide it through the handle and snap it back into place. And that's how you replace the power switch on an electric handheld saw. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out more from Norton Clipper.